Mastering your defense is the key to surviving the treacherous world of Minecraft, and nothing screams survival like a trusty shield. Today, we're diving deep into how to craft this absolute essential survival tool. First things first. You'll need to gather your materials. You'll need 6 pieces of iron ingots. These are smelted from iron ore that you mine deep underground, and you'll need 1 piece of a plank from any type of wood. Any wooden plank will do, from oak to birch. Now, open up your crafting table. The shield's recipe is surprisingly simple, but you need to get the placement just right. Arrange your 6 iron ingots in a shape across the top and sides of the crafting grid. So, 1 iron ingot in the top left slot, 1 in the top middle, and 1 in the top right. Then, place 1 iron ingot in the middle left slot and another in the middle right slot. With your iron forming that defensive curve, take your single wooden plank and place it directly in the center of the crafting grid, right in the middle of those iron bars. Boom, that's your shield, ready to be crafted. But why use a shield? The benefits are immense. When held, your shield completely blocks incoming projectiles like arrows and prevents most melee damage from creatures like zombies and skeletons. This dramatically increases your survivability, especially when you're just starting out or facing a horde. Having a shield means you can explore dangerous caves, take on tougher mobs, and generally be much more confident in combat. It's a game changer for both exploration and strategic defense, making you a much more resilient adventurer in all your Minecraft journeys. So grab your iron, craft that shield, and step out into the world with newfound confidence. Happy crafting and happy surviving.